Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video, I am going to give an overview of doctrine of severability in law. So now I am going to start it. The doctrine of severability is a legal principle that allows the court to uphold parts of law or contract while invalidating other parts that are found to be unlawful or unconstitutional. The doctrine aims to preserve the valid portions of law or contract when certain provisions are deemed invalid, ensuring that the overall document remains enforceable and effective. So now talking about the partial invalidity, when a provision or a clause within a law or contract is found to be illegal, unconstitutional and unenforceable, the doctrine of severability allows the court to separate the invalid part from the rest, preserving the valid portions. In cases where the legislative or contractual intent can be determined, the court will strive to preserve that intent to the greatest extent possible while removing the offending provisions. So now talking about the severability clause, some laws or contracts include the severability clause explicitly stating that any provision is found invalid, the remaining provision will continue to be valid in all the cases. Such clauses reinforce the doctrine of severability and assist courts in interpreting the intent of the parties. Court assesses whether the invalid provisions can be severed without altering the fundamental purpose of effective of the law or contract. If the remaining provision can still stand on their own, then in that case they are upheld. So the court examines the language, structure and purpose of the law or the contract as the whole to determine the impact for removing the invalid portion. If severing the provision would significantly alter the parties' rights and obligations, the doctrine may not be applicable. The court's decision to sever an invalid provision is guided by the intent of the lawmakers or parties involved. However, if severing the provisions would violate public policy or overall purpose of the law, the doctrine may not be applied. Severing an invalid provision may affect the enforceability of a law or contract. The court may need to modify or interpret other provisions to ensure a balanced and a workable outcome. So now talking about the presumptions of severability, courts generally presume that laws or contracts can severability unless there are clear evidence to the contrary for the same. This presumption reflects the judicial inclination to preserve the validity of as much of a document as possible. The courts has the discretion to determine the extent of severability. It can either strike down a specific clause, amend them, or modify the application of the remaining provisions to achieve a just and equitable result. So now I am going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt related to this doctrine of severability in law, you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.